Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. The community of Coopers Hill is one of several middle-income residential communities located in Red Hills. Nestled in Coopers Hill is this detached two-story, five-bedroom, five-bathroom, incomplete two-family residence that was recently reduced in price, comprising of ground floor with an open carport, an open veranda, living and dining room with concrete staircase leading to the first floor, kitchen, one bedroom, one bathroom, powder room, external bathroom, laundry, back porch, self-contained flat with living and dining room and kitchen, bedroom and bathroom. First floor, three bedrooms, three bathrooms, sitting area, front and rear balconies. This property allows you to add your own personal touch to create your dream home. The land area of this house is approximately 8,134 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 38 million or US $246.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.